Namaskar, Sat Shri Akal, Ganitagya learners and smart solvers. Welcome back to my channel Ganitagya Gyanam, your trusted place for mathematics strategies. In this video, we will discuss 5 important questions from GATE 2025 Naval Architecture and Marine Engineering paper, Part 2. Let's discuss one by one all these questions. First question, that is question number 36. Consider f of t cos a t, where a is a real constant. The Laplace transform of f of t is. In this question, f of t means direct value is given to you cos of at. You have to just apply the formula, and we know that cos at is s over s square plus a square. So that is your option B option. Now the next question that we are going to discuss is about the double integration. Here we are going to split both the terms. Here x square y dx. Now how can we write this integral as from 1 to 3 y dy integration from 2 to 5 x square dx. Now simple integration we are going to do, and separately we are solving it. So integration of y is y square by 2 from 1 to 3. X square integration is x cube by 3 from 2 to 5. These are the limits. So now we can write it as y square means first upper limit is sure 3, 3 square is 9, lower limit is 1, 1 square is 1, divide by 2. Similarly, in the second part, x cube. So first we are going to put 5. 5 cube is 125. Upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit is 2. 2 cube is 8 by 3. 9 minus 1 by 2 means we can write it as 8 minus 2. That is your 4 value. 125 minus 8 means 117 by 3. It means we will get as 39. Just multiply 4 and 39, that is 156. That is your correct answer. Move to the next question. Here two matrices are given to you that satisfies the eigenvalue problem given by m minus alpha k into phi is equals to 0. Means this satisfies the eigenvalue problem, means we this one is your characteristic equation already given to you. Okay, so we are just going to find its determinant, that is m minus alpha k, that is equals to 0. So here m 1002 k 2 minus 1 into 1 but multiplied by alpha. So we can write it as 1 minus 2 alpha minus alpha into minus is plus alpha, again alpha, and we have 2 minus alpha. Its determinant is equals to 0. We know that how to solve the determinant, right? So 1 minus 2 alpha into 2 minus alpha minus alpha square. After solving it, when you open these brackets, right, so you will get the value as 2 minus 4 alpha minus alpha plus 2 alpha square minus alpha square is equals to 0. So we can write this one as alpha square minus 5 alpha plus 2 is equals to 0. So this one is a quadratic equation, right? With the degree 2. That's why it is quadratic equation. We are going to apply the quadratic formula. So what we get? We get it as minus minus plus 5 plus minus under root 25 minus 8 by 2. So, what are the values? We are going to get 5 plus under root 17 by 2, and second is 5 minus under root 17 by 2. Now, what we have to find? We have to find the lowest eigenvalue alpha, means the value of alpha that will be our lowest eigenvalue. So we can see over here, if we are taking 5 plus, obviously it will gives you the larger value as compared to the 5 minus under root 17. Now what will be the value of under root 17? That is 4 point. So 5 minus 4.123 divide by 2. When you solve this one, you will get the value 0.438. Right now, what we have to do, we have to find out the round off to two decimal places. So we have to write the value up to two decimal places by rounding off. So we can write it as 0.44. So the value that should come between 0.42 to 0.45. So our value is in between this limit, right? So next question is, we have to find the gradient of y is equals to 3x squared sine 2x at the point 0.2 and 1, and again we have to round off to 3 decimal places. Now gradient is over here, we are going to find the slope, that is dy by dx. Now here we are having the two function, one is x square and other is sine 2x. So we are going to apply the product rule. So 3x square, first function is your 3x square and second function, let us say sine 2x. So first function derivative is 6x, that is sine 2x. Now first function 3x square, as it is, derivative of sine is cos 2x into 2. So what we get, 6x sine 2x plus 6x square cos 2x. Now, what is the value of x over here? That is 0.2. So, let us substitute over here. So, 6 into 0.2 sine 2x, x is 0.2 plus 6, 0.2 whole square cos 2 into 0.2. Now, it becomes your value 1.2 sine 0.4 plus 6 into 0.04 cos 0.4. Now sine 0.4 and cos 0.4, you are going to check only in the radians, not in the degree. So आपने रेडियन में वैल्यूज को फाइंड आउट करना है. So after putting this value of sine 0.4 and cos 0.4, the answer will be, that is 0.688, right? 0.688. So that is sure the value 3 decimal places rounded off. Now last question of this video is, the displacement field of a body is given by u vector y x I cap plus y z j cap plus z plus x square into k cap. The shear strain, we are going to find the shear strain at the point 215. What is a shear strain? See here, I cap, j cap and k cap. So I cap is your ux, means the coefficient. Let us represent it as uy, and this one is uz. Let us write ux. Ux means the coefficient of I cap, that is yx, right? Uy is equals to, that is yz, that is the coefficient of j. Uz is z plus x square, that is the coefficient of k. Now what is the formula of shear strain? That is gamma xy is equals to partial derivative of ux. Ux means coefficient of I cap, will be differentiated partially with respect to y, plus partial of uy with respect to x, opposite. So coefficient of I cap is yx, so derivative with respect to y, partial derivative, that is your x. Okay, now we have to take the partial of y uy with respect to x, Both will be treated as constant, so its value is 0. Now we have to find the value at a point 2, 1, 5. 2 comma 1 comma 5. So here x is your 2. So that is your final answer. That is in integers. That is 2. So that's a simple logic and clean math. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to comment. Subscribe to Ganitagya Gyanam for more such conceptual videos. That's all from my side. Goodbye and take care.